tabụ onye nwe ntabụ ndị kere abụ Jizọs tabụ onye nwe ntabụ ndị kere abụ biko tabụ onye nwe ntabụ ndị kere abụ onye nwe ntabụ Jizọs tabụ ndị kere abụ onye nwe ntabụ Jesus tabụ ndị kere abụ. My people, I greet you in the name of Chukwu Okike Biafra. I have come again with a radical exposition. If you look at the screen here, this is a NollyWood actor. I can't remember his name again. I can't remember. Please, if you know his name, drop his name on the comment section and I will retake the topic. And as you can see here, this video has been old. I think this video, I got it many months ago, and nobody seems to take concern about it. This guy is one of the legends in the Biafra land who saw tomorrow and raised alarm. This video should be about 2 years old now, I'm sure. He raised this alarm and telling the youth to wake up, that things have gone bad, that our governor, so this guy, we're going to listen to him and embrace his candid advice concerning the situation in the Biafra land. The agenda of the Janjaweed in the Biafra land, the agreement the Igbo governors has made or has entered with the Janjaweed to take us as slaves. This guy is a popular NollyWood actor, and I gave him a credit for this candid advice and warning he gave here. And we're going to listen to it. Don't forget, this is Biafra Battle Cry Channel Television. It is a channel where there is a radical exposition coming up on a daily basis, and we must carry on these activities to make sure that our people knows what is happening. Because as a things have gone bad now, so everybody is working on just making this awareness, making exposition. Things have gone bad, but you have to listen to it now. Just sit back and listen. Thank you for watching, and I will come back again and we'll see whether we can give more analysis on this video now. Thank you very much.
Ndị Igbo, ndewo.
Ndewo.
Ekelela m nnewala.
Yes.
Ya rịrị onye ihu mma, rịrị onye azụ mma. Enwere ihe mere m jiri si ma ka m tinye ọnụ n'okwu gaga on. Just obere okwu, obere ndụmọdụ, because ọ onye nwere alụ ya ewete, because Igbo wolf.
Oh, yeah.
One.
Yes.
Anabe kpọmara ụmụ ya jụọ nwosi ọrụ ugboro ole ihe ga-eme nwa amata ihe. Ụfọdụ shi ọgụ, ụfọdụ shi onye ọla ekwu abụọ, ụfọdụ shi atọ, but nwa evula aka akpọma nna ya gbasa wood. Aha agadi kpeshi hume onye ọzọ eji ya mụrụ akọ. Ahịrị ahụ eme na anyị ndị Igbo. Anyị ahụ na ahịrị ahụ, we've seen a lot. We've been through a lot. Amụba anyị oge ọgụ anyway, but what we had, o mere onye ọla affect. My father was a witness, and I saw my father's everything. My bullet, I saw all that. I'm not supposed to be saying this. I will hide man because of Guarem. Orem is not going to be good. I'm again information. I'm come rumo. Asigi, in any room, there must be an element of truth. Element of truth in it. So again, Abraham daughter, they're really so wise. When any teenage, they will get to the root of that thing. When I get there, but keep an eye on that thing. Ore mmanya no information no ebuba agegbe alibo ebuba agande fulani whatever or Boko Haram ba agane place nu na position nu anya agba nkit anya mana that our governors betray lani.
Oh yes, half of a lie.
Betray la hanye betray la Igbo because of money. But my job like governors, let me ask you guys a question. Na mana that ML war in Igbo land now. All your all your properties, all these assets in Nuputucha in Igbo land. I got bakashi everything. Igbo, remember hegi meba. I got bakashi everywhere. You wouldn't even like your life because a guy here had to pay men no jerry go. Nana happy kuma bob and they got a gun on your praising. Those people will be dead. Nobody to praise you anymore. You wouldn't even see where to bless the money. And the governor so and name a brand. And sell out your people. No men no bioma no subduga. Lugan no sanu Diego onwa geto etogi. Ababu shanderi na hotuno gonwa. Kukasho yo ine na Imo State. No manana mbara babu onde manu buo bulebu. Masaka mama na hono go before. Japan just join him in Syria. That is maybe everywhere. Go to give governor. Come on, no. You wouldn't even have anywhere to stay. That no see no so. You won't come back to your home again. You won't see a place to call your own or your home.
Yeah.
These are governors. And name no nucheka kwa hema nucheka kwa hanye unga on onwe no hunga ego omeshena ganya imana na ego ipaga vanity yasu you wouldn't see where to hide. And listen, let me tell you governors, yeah, ma kowala no hen now aga asindi Igbo na again nte
I'm na kowara ha
nda osa use chage because I'm another that you a useless person. You said, "Ebi when sell out your people, you are not trustworthy." Imagine that's a manner that you are not trustworthy. You sell out your people, which they cannot do. So I'm that they will home man. So after using you, they will eliminate you because you are idiot. You are an idiot. When you rebel, because you will sell them out to ego, because you will not be ego. If you can sell your people, so. When I sell out money you bribe. So you see, they know that you are an idiot. So any place again that's because why? The governors so know the eastern governors. Why are you like this? Let him know Japaga oh my god. Ego up and ego ma. Anu Diego. Ndari mege ji nwaka n'uche na karanno. Anyways, we don't need to talk about you guys because I know failures anyway. So I have fun no. Because no to say listen to me carefully. Imi bema anye bema. Ya say tie imi bema anye bido bema. So governors get ready. no, get here no ready because you're gonna cry too. Oh, poor people, you check out the poor people will cry. No, ya sit here, and I catch my government house, and I catch everywhere. Go to Gabalaga self. It got me sit for that position again. I catch the whole Igbo land. But catch your knee, woman, out there. Ye may affect. Then again, a beacon down say, Diego Ga. Mele and that's a gauge in a bag. As only Igbo. Even name you're selling out your country, your states, you're selling out to your people because of peanut. Ego, the money we are talking about is Igbo money, Biafra money. Ego, Anasugagi bribe, you sold us, they sell all out like idiots. But now I'm about one thing and now I'm home. And when I kake, it's a point to man. He knows one day nine. Okay? So get ready. I no give facey. Osbono like jigger down together. Even now I got home hemegano and you are not seeing it clearly coming up. We don't know. No maji. Kailema. But I can make bad no 110. Ndibo. Aga ma like see awuro kwanya nyomume village all a form of vigilante. Kana mwanya in the night.
Bam.
Ane rotate here. Ndozo na arahụ na ndozo amụrụ anya. Ndeke rahụ ujishozo ndozo amụrụ anya. Rotate anya ya. Call on your guys in diaspora. Linking up with them. Banungo your plights. Anyele ngbele he nwere ike imefula nnụnụ. Iji pardon makande keno yo just to ichepo when nunche because we have to kena nkpocha now. I need the ike nkpocha. Igbo, I need the ike nkpocha now. O say timana. Anya ge wo sharia because I am anya wo Christians. Anya ma wo charismatic wo Catholic wo Anglican. It doesn't matter, but we are all Christians. Anya gano miche. Tono, me Sharia law. Oga ha happen no like that. I don't Sharia law Choroshiabia tono uru Christian. I suppose the nyo practice your faith here, or you're supposed to be free. Here by force so. It's not a walk, oga ha walk. I told me Purujema. I need another information now. I need another information. And I'm not supposed to may ignore that information. I need because all those informations, Makes and Dibo, na South Africa, these are men. You put nonsense.
That this SND in South Africa. I think I will do the broadcast very soon after this one. We'll listen to what the man said. He's also bringing radical awareness. He's beefing so much alarm Wasara Igbo land while others are sleeping. This thing and that video of Igbo people in South Africa, that video is at the same old as this one now that I'm playing. You will hear it. None of this video that I'm playing is new, but we just want to refresh our mind to understand that this alarm has been, this alarm and awareness, not today, it started. There are genuine people who are saying things that need to be heard, things that need to be used to liberate our people and salvage our land. This legend you are seeing here now on the screen, this NollyWood actor, he has been on this thing, be saying it and saying it, but I don't know why all of a sudden you're no longer talking about the Biafra land, how to secure it. Maybe he had been intimidated and maybe he happens to close his mouth, but he has done his part to vomit this awareness that we are listening now. Let's go on again and listen and complete this thing. Maybe it will finish in the next 5-10 minutes.
ekwuga ahụhụ nonsense anọbije hụ akwụmokwu ndị ekwuga okwu based on fact. So anyị gbado anya anyị agbado mepee na anya nnụ ka anyị bido na fọm ma vigilante because ọ mgbe anyị nọ n'ụra ka anyị labara ndị oshi na ama ahụ gị ime operate ọ mgbe eji eme operate mgbe ndị mmanụ na ahụ ụra mgbe ị nọ ụra abịagide gị you can't do nothing agbagide gị ụyọ ọkụ na-eregbuo a na-agba ego ọkụ gị na-agba hịcha na-agba ndị ka eregbuo they know how they operate all in the night but mgbagwa nnọwụ fọm ọnụ vigilante fọm ọnụ village niile n'Igbo town niile nọ n'Igbo bidonu now fọm manụ vigilante immediately ndị erahụ anya asụ taa ndị ọzọ amụ anya echi ndị ọzọ arahụ ndị ọzọ amụ anya in that way anyị ga-ama ahịba aga ala Igbo ma ahịba aga village ma onye ga-anụ kwụsị gị there hold it there gị ma egbuo gị mpọ gakọfụ onwe gị eso ha asụsụ awara gaa ka ahịa ime gị uju si zikwara anya ebe ije nakwana gị ichere fụa that way agaghị eteki anyị unawares. Emega asọte ka Igbo unawares that means ozugbo brain niile anyị eji akpasa nna onweghị isi onweghị ụkwụ isi and that's something ndị Igbo ma adati governors niile anyị plesiri si nwochekwa anyị akpọfega ha anyị akpọfega men ndị akpọfela anyị nsogbu anyị nwere today governors anyị akpọfela anyị
complete
ewere ka bara uru tiga ewetuo ya kọntrolu anyị were karịa uru ọ bara tile anyị nna gọvanọs anyị akpọfeela anyị ndị Igbo bikonu ọba hụrụ anyị kpụrụ jema ka anyị na-eme anyị bido ọsịsọ meme ya oge afọ hụ bikonu ya rịrị onye ukwu mma rịrị onye azụ mma arị onye anyị kwugacha anyị ma ofend but anyị kwugacha ọ bara anyị uru because agba akpụfu a na-eji abụọ ọgaranya anyị rụrụ anọ m ana mgbe a lụrụ ọgụ Biafran war, civil war, Nigerian Biafran civil war, a lot of things damaged. I wasn't born then, but from here no, everywhere. I just repeat to you see. A guy who may take you back. If I say who back, that's what all the plan is to demoralize us. Because I know you check here the space of time and you build up our empires. Now they want to come and destroy it with all these touts. Ndị Igbo anyị aga ikpe fushi ya mee o.
Yes sir.
Anyị aga ekpe ya si ya mee.
Anyị aga ekpe.
Anyị ke mkpucha na ọ ga-eme.
Yes.
Anyị ju ugbu were ụka niile ya ri serious ma omega hụ. Anyị eteke ya serious nwanne ọ ga-eme.
Ọ ga-eme.
Biko nu ndị Igbo.
Ọ ga-eme.
Ekelela m nnu.
Ekelekwa.
Amara m so ụka kem nwekwara ike ọ arị ebe ọ ga-eru bọt. Lebakwala na ya anya anyị mara. Ndewo.
Yes, nwanne, ndewo. Chukwu gozie gị, nwa Chineke. You are a legend. Chukwu gozie gị o. Ice Chukwu gozie gị. Ya dewekwa gị. You know, ọwụ Igbo bụ ebe isi ya were pụta. You know, nna gị mụrụ gị. Nne gị agba aka ebe. You know, ọ baa uru anyị nwa anyị chere aka na-arụ wee n'ọrụ na-ele Janjaweed. Janjaweed a na-aladu anyị. Were anyị mere ife eji ata atụ. Who born them? And they who mmiri azụ mmiri omichi anyị kulite ha egbu anyị kulite egbu anyị onwe ya ekwu okwu governors anyị ekwu Igbo elite anyị ekwu ndị kings anyị ekwu onye ọbụla gbara nkịtị ọ bụ ụjọ a na-eke kwụchara kama na kwụcha abụrụ ụjọ ụdị mkpụrụ modi ya ndị okenye n'ala Igbo na-agba ọ gbara yarị a stranger ga-abịa in your own land start slaughtering you. Okenye agba nkịtị ka otu okenye esi wee nọ n'ụlọ igwe na-ama n'ọgbụ ndị be anyị etinye n'ife ọnụ ya bụ ife jọrọ njọ n'arụ jọọ njọ n'afọ o ruru unyi n'anya dịkwa egwu You know, other my viewers, I just want to thank you again for viewing. Thank you again for commenting. All you just said, we acknowledge them and welcome them. So, like I said, it's another exposition, it's another awareness, it's another radical um, dimension this NollyWood legend has brought to us. Please, if anybody know the name of this NollyWood legend, I've forgotten his name. Both of us came from the same state, but I can't remember. From his accent, we came from the same state. So drop his name on the comment section. Let me update my description and my title. Thank you all again. And God bless you. Then I will be bringing that Igbo chairman in South Africa very soon now, after this one. Thank you all and God bless you. And drop your comment at the comment section. I will reply back to you as soon as possible. May Chukwu Okike Abiama bless Mazen Nandekano. Bless our spokesperson, the Dragon, Mazen Samuel Epa. And bless Eastern Security Network. Bless the IPOB worldwide. Otito dịkwara Chineke. And udo dịrị mmadụ ndị ifefa na-asọ Chukwu. Ndewonu.